everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Trust Wallet from Uniswap. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Trust Wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on the settings button in the lower right hand corner. This will bring up your settings menu. Tap on Wallet Connect from the options and tap on the Uniswap interface. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a disconnect button. Tap it on in order to disconnect from Uniswap on Trust Wallet. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.